So the solder I've got is a panel solder. Yeah, what I do is I cut little lines down it. And the smaller you need your bit of solder, the closer together your lines could be. If they go out of shape like that, I just squeeze them in line, because you want them ideally nice and straight. So with tin snips, you need a set of these for cutting solder. What I do is I sort of put my finger on the end of it and then cut this quite close to it. And it is actually a way you can sort of, with your finger there, you can guide how far down there you want to cut. And also with your finger touching the solder you're cutting, they don't ping off everywhere. So I just want small little chunks. I'll cut across. I've got 4 little bits there. Ideally you just cut off what you need, so one little click and then that's one little piece of solder. So it can be tricky getting solders to work for you, so I would recommend cutting off like maybe 2 or 3, 4 is perhaps a bit excessive, but that kind of happened accidentally. You might go to touch it on, doesn't stick, it drops down in your skin, you lose it in all the dust and lemon and that. So you've got another one straight away to go to, rather than clicking off one little bit and then you drop it and then you've got to click off another little bit. Yeah, just get 2 or 3.